Welcome to the owner's suite on deck 14, cabin number 14244. As you enter, you'll find a spacious dining area with a coffee bar, plenty of counter space, and storage. The living room offers generous seating and a flat screen TV perfect for relaxing after a day at sea. In the bedroom, enjoy a Royal King bed that converts to two twins, a desk and vanity area, a second TV, and ample closet space. The bathroom features double sinks, a soaking tub with glass shower, and a bidet giving you a true touch of luxury. Step outside to a large private balcony, the perfect spot to enjoy fresh ocean breezes, sunrise coffee, or breathtaking sunsets. As a sky class suite, you'll enjoy exclusive amenities like concierge service, priority boarding, reserved seating at select shows, suite lounge access, and VOOM, the fastest internet at sea.